I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you already have a verified Microsoft account and that you're signed in. Open Microsoft Edge because the browser gives full rewards access. Once signed in, navigate to the rewards dashboard and enable the program. Make sure your account country matches where you live, since offers differ by region. Also connect the same account across devices. This preserves points and syncs progress. If prompted, opt into personalized offers, so you see available activities immediately and can start earning. Now you begin the core earning actions. Use Bing for web searches and complete daily sets and quizzes. These are predictable, repeatable sources of points. Shop at the Microsoft Store when you need products to earn purchase points, and check the offers page for limited-time activities that give larger chunks. Link your Xbox and mobile apps and use Edge for extra bonuses. Once linked, those ecosystems often unlock higher daily caps. Track your progress on the rewards page, so you prioritize the highest yield tasks first. Finish by redeeming points for items that match your needs, gift cards, subscriptions, or charitable donations, and confirm the exact cost in points before you confirm. Once redeemed, watch the delivery method. Digital codes appear quickly but may take a short processing time. If points are missing or didn't post, sign out and back in, verify your account country and link devices, and check the activity history for pending credits. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support with your account and transaction details so they can resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.